You are now watching Fresh Rex TV.
All right. Welcome everyone back to the channel. We're here on episode 6, Show Me Your Ride. We're here with the homie Omar with his Integra TYPE R. One beautiful piece of work, one of a kind chassis right here. So Omar, man, tell me, what do you drive?
It's a 1998 Integra TYPE R from Japan.
Nice, man. And why the TYPE R? Why the ITR, man? Why this specific color? Why this chassis?
Well, red is that's my favorite color, and the car it was one of a kind, caught my attention, and I love it.
Nice, man. Cool. I know there's a lot to talk about, a lot of spoon stuff just by seeing the license plate right there. Yeah, man, what all we got going on the front end right here? I know somewhat a little bit of different parts. Obviously, it came like this being the Japanese model. What all we got here on the front end?
So we got a spoon hood, the spoon lip, spoon license plate,
Nice.
the JDM front with the HIDs, which was stock.
Nice, man. All right, cool, man. Moving along here, the side, man. What do we got? Wheel and tire setup?
Wheel and tire combo is a spoon setup. These are actually S2000 to set up 16x8s in the front, and the spoon calipers, spoon lugs, spoon brake pads with the caliper also. So
Nice. And suspension setup?
spoon suspension also.
Okay. Cool. Everything spoon.
Everything spoon. So
Nice. Even the side mirrors?
spoon
here,
mirrors,
Okay.
yeah.
Nice, man. Awesome. Cool, man. Along the backside here, pretty much almost stock back here, right?
Basically, the rear end's almost stock. The only thing we got is the full spoon exhaust,
Okay.
which you can see.
Nice. Little spoon sticker there. Nice, man. Cool, man. Yeah, if we don't mind checking on the interior, man, see what all we got going on there. I'm pretty sure, hopefully spoon, of course.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Nice. So what all we got here? I see the cluster, man.
So we got spoon cluster, spoon steering wheel, Gen 2, the titanium shift knob.
Nice. Super sick. Spoon buckets, I see.
Spoon bucket seats, Gen 1.
Nice. All the interior you kept, huh? ITR seats. Okay. Nice, man. Okay, cool. The cluster, how'd you come across that one?
I came across that one a few years back, and it was signed, so I was able to get a signed cluster.
Nice. Yeah, almost everything's spooned then inside here as well.
Everything is spoon, yeah.
Okay. Nice, man. I love it. Looks super good. Yeah, man, if we could see what you're hiding underneath the hood, man, if you don't mind. I'm sure it's not no B16 or nothing.
So under the hood, we got
Wow,
a little bit of spoon parts.
okay, nice. And this is a true spoon engine.
The spoon B18C,
Wow, okay.
balance ported, blueprinted, and it has spoon transmission, and almost every spoon part they made for the Integra TYPE R.
Okay. Wow, man. Definitely a screamer, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Wow, okay. And this, how'd you obtain even this one? I mean, I know these are kind of pretty extinct almost at this
Yeah,
point.
I got this motor about, I want to say 9 years ago from a spoon race car in Japan.
Okay.
And I had a friend that called me and he said he had it for sale, and
You hopped
I
on
jumped right on it.
Nice,
So
man. Pretty rare nowadays for sure, man. My first time seeing one in person, I mean, so it's pretty surreal to even see one.
it was a good, at the time I was stoked to buy it. So I'm
Yeah, no, for sure.
pretty rare.
Yeah, no,
come across.
definitely, man. I mean, hopefully you'll keep it forever for sure. I mean, these things worth a pretty penny. Yeah, man. Yeah, you can close the hood. That's totally fine. Yeah, man. Absolutely love this chassis myself, man. I mean, these things are pretty rare to come by, like we've said, of course. Yeah, man. I love all the spoon stuff. Of course, why the whole spoon theme?
I love spoons from the very beginning. When I had my first EG, that was my theme. So when I went TYPE R, when I found the car, I was set on going all spoon. So I went full spoon on this car, full catalog build. So
Nice. Not anything you're missing, spoon?
I believe I'm not. I think it's pretty
Nice.
close. So
No way. Okay. Damn. That's something cool to say, I guess.
Right? It's a lot harder to obtain parts nowadays, but back then it was still a mission even then to find them.
No, for sure.
But I had some good friends that helped me out, and we were able to get it done.
Nice,
so
strong community out there. Awesome, man. Before I let you go, man, before we do, obviously, you know, some revs, some rolling shots, and, you know, a ride along, any shout outs you want to give out there to the world, man?
Shout outs just to my wife.
Okay.
My wife, and to God, and to my community, the guys that helped me build the car along the way.
Nice, for sure, man. One last thing too, I tell everyone, of course, is this the final form, man, or is this the end of the build, or are you gonna keep it this way forever?
It's probably not the end of the build. It's probably some more parts that I'm gonna add to it, but
okay.
As far as it's pretty close to where I want to have it, so
okay, nice.
I'm content where it's at now.
Nice. No, I mean, definitely, man, it's truly almost perfect to me, for sure. Being red, I mean, I know red's your color for sure, man. I mean, you definitely don't see these in red, especially the ITR. Very, very rare nowadays. Man, I truly love it. Love the way you got it set up, for sure. A blessing, even, you know, coming on the channel and having this part of, you know, my show, so to say. So I'm super appreciative of that, man, and thank you for coming on the channel, for sure.
I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate you bringing me on, man.
Thank you, man. But yeah, comment down below, guys, what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. Like I said, episode 6, this one's going very far, very good. Lots of feedbacks, lots of positive feedback, for sure. Truly loving this type of style of videos I'm doing. You know, super blessed with the people that have been on the channel, and I mean, truly one of a kind. Golden era Hondas, of course, what I like. I mean, this has no explanation. I mean, you could just see it. It looks better in person. So if you guys don't mind, hit that like button. You know, comment down below, of course, what you think. Any questions, you know, where do you get this? Where do you get that? I definitely read all of the comments. He drove all the way down from OKC. I mean, there's not many OKC people, I guess, that's doing it like you. I mean,
there isn't.
The community's pretty small out there, I'm sure. So, you know, super blessed to have you once again. I mean, man, definitely don't see these in DFW. I would say that, you know, not even many in DFW. But yeah, man, thank you once again, man. I super appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next episode for sure. And we'll get some clips here of all those that I mentioned. But thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Sounds real good. You could probably stay on the service.
Stay on the service road?
Yeah.